Lakshmi. She is the goddess of wealth. When she walks into our house, there is prosperity, there's wealth, and there's growth in one's life. Goddess Saraswati. She is a goddess of wisdom. She is a goddess of knowledge. When she walks into our house, there is peace, wisdom, and knowledge. But Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Saraswati doesn't stay in the same house, which is why peace and prosperity rarely coexist. Lakshmi loves to visit places where Saraswati resides. Wherever Saraswati stays, Lakshmi loves to come to that place and stay with Saraswati. But her arrival makes Saraswati uncomfortable and she moves away from that location. Why is this? Let's observe. With wealth comes tension. With wealth comes issues which is connected to money matters, challenges which is connected to money matters, money handling, which annoys Saraswati, which makes her walk away. When quarreling, insecurities, fights, all these comes, when the tension comes, there is no more wisdom, there's no more knowledge, there's no more peace which exists there. The moment quarreling comes in, peace goes out. The moment tension comes in, wisdom generally fades away and peace gets deleted. That is the reason when Lakshmi comes, Saraswati walks out. How to handle this? Ganesh is the only god who can manage both the goddesses. The only god who can bring these two goddesses is Lord Ganesh. He is the Adi Puja. He is the first god we worship. He is the Vignaharta. He is the remover of all the vignas, challenges which comes in your life. He is the god who fulfills all our hunger. He is the person who takes care of all our needs. He is the god of knowledge. He is the god of prosperity. He is the god where we follow to reach growth in life. Since he handles everything of this, prosperity, knowledge, taking care of our hurdles, that is Vignaharta, he is the perfect god to get Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati together. Prosperity, knowledge comes together for life to grow. That is the reason images of Lakshmi, Saraswati with Ganesh in middle are very, very popular. Every shop, every business, every house, there is an image of Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Saraswati, and Ganesh placed in between them, placed and worshipped. Because Ganesh is the only Lord who can manage and make sure Goddess Saraswati and Goddess Lakshmi coexist, and peace and prosperity, knowledge and wealth comes together and growth in life happens. That is the secret of everybody worshipping this famous or very, very popular photo of Saraswati, Lakshmi and Ganesh being in the center.